Hello, I'm Dr. David Thompson. I want to tell you about Arthur. Arthur was 72 years old, living in a quiet suburb of Chicago. 3 years ago, I met him in a state of absolute despair. He was sitting in a wheelchair, his left side partially paralyzed after a mini-stroke or TIA. His family was already touring local nursing homes because Arthur couldn't even walk to the mailbox without gasping for air. His blood pressure was a ticking time bomb, and he was taking 12 different pills a day. Arthur looked at me and said, "Doc, I feel like a burden. I've lost my dignity." Fast forward to last Tuesday. Arthur walked into my office, not rolled, walked, on his own 2 feet. He just returned from a hiking trip in the Smokies with his grandkids. His blood pressure, 118/75. His cholesterol profile, better than most 40-year-olds. What changed? It wasn't a new, miracle drug. In fact, we managed to safely taper him off half of his medications. The secret was something sitting right in his kitchen pantry, something 97% of my colleagues overlook because they are trained to prescribe a pill for every ill rather than looking at the fuel we put in our bodies. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what Arthur did. I'm going to reveal the 3 specific cooking oils that can act as a shield for your heart and brain, potentially saving you from the devastating path of a stroke. Before we go any further, I need to know who I'm speaking to today. In the comment section below, please type your age and one health metric you are worried about. Maybe it's your blood pressure numbers, your fasting glucose, or just a constant feeling of fatigue. If you are over 50, an office worker sitting for 8 hours a day, or a woman navigating the hormonal shifts of the postpartum or menopausal years, listen closely. The decline you're feeling, the brain fog, the heavy legs, the chest tightness, it is not just getting old. It's not just your genetics. In my 30 years of practice, I found that these symptoms are almost always caused by a critical deficiency in 3 specific lipid-based nutrients that your heart is starving for. Today, we end that starvation. As I mentioned, I've spent over 3 decades in the trenches of clinical medicine. This channel was created with one mission: to empower you to live a long, vibrant, independent life through the power of scientific nutrition. I've seen thousands of patients like Arthur. I've seen the heartbreak of stroke and the triumph of recovery. My goal is to make sure you never have to see the inside of a nursing home. We are going to use hard science to reclaim your health. Let's do a quick heart health audit. I want you to count how many of these 5 symptoms you've experienced in the last month. 1. Cold hands or feet, even when the room is warm. 2. The midday slump, intense fatigue around 2 p.m. that makes you reach for sugar or caffeine. 3. Dizziness when standing, a momentary whoosh in your head when you get off the couch. 4. Tinnitus, a faint ringing or pulsing sound in your ears when it's quiet. 5. Shortness of breath, feeling winded after just 1 flight of stairs. How many did you count? 1, 3, all 5. Tell me your number in the comments right now. If you have even 2 of these, your body is signaling a root cause issue. In medicine, we call this endothelial dysfunction and oxidative stress. Think of your arteries like the plumbing in an old house. Over time, if the water is acidic and full of debris, the pipes start to rust and scale builds up. In your body, biological rust occurs when unstable molecules attack your vessel walls, causing inflammation. This makes your blood sticky, which leads to clots, and clots lead to strokes. The oils I'm about to show you don't just grease the pipes. They actually act like a biological rust remover and a sealant for your arterial walls. Solution number 1. The liquid gold of longevity, extra virgin olive oil. The first oil is one you've heard of, but I guarantee you are using it incorrectly or buying the wrong kind. It is high phenolic extra virgin olive oil, EVOO. Meet Elena, 64. Elena came to me with chronic inflammation. Her CRP, C-reactive protein, levels were through the roof. She had stiff joints and high, bad LDL cholesterol. She started a protocol of 2 tablespoons of high-quality EVOO daily. Within 4 weeks, she told me, "Dr. Thompson, I can drive my car without my hands aching on the steering wheel, and my morning brain fog has vanished."
Why?
EVOO contains a miracle compound called oleocanthal. Think of oleocanthal as nature's ibuprofen. At a molecular level, it inhibits the COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes that cause inflammation. But more importantly, it contains hydroxytyrosol. This molecule is like a protective glove for your LDL cholesterol. Cholesterol only becomes dangerous when it oxidizes, turns rancid. Hydroxytyrosol prevents that oxidation, keeping your blood flowing like a smooth river rather than thick sludge. The landmark Predimed study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, 2013, followed over 7,000 individuals. They found that those consuming a Mediterranean diet supplemented with extra virgin olive oil reduced their risk of major cardiovascular events, specifically stroke, by a staggering 30%. Practical guide. The dose, 2 to 3 tablespoons per day. The golden time. Take 1 tablespoon raw on an empty stomach in the morning, and use the rest over your lunch or dinner. The cough test. Real EVOO should have a peppery sting at the back of your throat. That sting is the oleocanthal working. Note: never cook with EVOO on high heat. Use it for low-heat sautéing or as a finishing oil. If it smokes, the medicine turns into poison. Do you currently have a bottle of olive oil in your pantry? Look at the label. Does it say harvest date or just expiry date? Real medicine needs a harvest date. Let me know in the comments what you find. Solution number 2. The Ancient Brain Shield, Virgin Coconut Oil. This next one is controversial. For years, the experts told you to avoid it. They were wrong. It's virgin coconut oil. I think of Robert, a 58-year-old office executive. Robert was terrified of the senior moments he was having, forgetting names, losing his keys. He had a family history of stroke-related dementia. We added virgin coconut oil to his morning routine. After 3 weeks, his mental clarity surged. He said it felt like someone finally turned the lights on in a dark room. Coconut oil is rich in MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides, specifically lauric acid. Most fats have to be processed by your gallbladder and liver, but MCTs are different. They go straight to the liver and are converted into ketones. Think of ketones as superfuel for your brain. When your brain is struggling with poor circulation, common in seniors, it struggles to use glucose. Ketones provide an alternative energy source that bypasses the clogged metabolic pathways. It's like having a backup generator for your heart and brain during a power flicker. A study published in the journal Nutrition Hospitalaria, 2015, demonstrated that coconut oil consumption could help reduce waist circumference and increase good HDL cholesterol, which is the vacuum cleaner that picks up excess fat from your arteries. Practical guide. The dose, 1 tablespoon per day to start, moving up to 2. The golden time, morning. It provides a non-jittery energy boost. How to: stir it into your morning coffee, the famous bulletproof style, or use it to sauté sweet potatoes. Note: it must be virgin or extra virgin. Refined coconut oil is treated with bleach and high heat, destroying the MCT benefits. Are you afraid of saturated fats? I know we've been told for 40 years they are the enemy. If you're skeptical, just type skeptical in the comments. I'd love to send you more papers on why the low-fat era was a mistake. Solution number 3. The Arterial Scrubber, avocado oil. The third oil is the unsung hero of heart health, pure avocado oil. Sarah, a 52-year-old mother who struggled with postpartum hypertension that never went away. She was over-medicated and undernourished. We replaced her inflammatory vegetable oils, soybean and canola, with avocado oil. Within 2 months, her diastolic blood pressure dropped by 15 points. She no longer felt that pounding in her ears when she tried to sleep. Avocado oil is a powerhouse of lutein and beta-sitosterol. Lutein is often called internal sunglasses for your eyes, but in your arteries, it acts as a powerful antioxidant that prevents the hardening of the vessel walls, atherosclerosis. Beta-sitosterol is a plant sterol that mimics cholesterol. When you eat it, your body absorbs it instead of the bad cholesterol, effectively scrubbing your blood clean. It's like sending a cleaning crew into your veins every time you eat. Research in the journal Molecules, 2019, highlighted that avocado oil has a unique ability to improve mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the power plants of your heart cells. If the power plants are healthy, the heart pumps with less effort, lowering your stroke risk. Practical guide. The dose, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. The golden time, evening. Use it for your high-heat cooking. Why? Unlike olive oil, avocado oil has a very high smoke point, up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it the only safe oil for searing or roasting. Note: ensure it is 100% avocado oil. Many brands blend it with cheap soy oil. Look for a dark glass bottle or a tin to protect it from light. Have you ever tried cooking with avocado oil, or did the price tag scare you off? Remember, you either pay the grocer now or the hospital later. What's your take? Let's recap. To protect your heart and shield your brain from a stroke, you need to 1. Soothe inflammation with 2 tablespoons of raw extra virgin olive oil. 2. Fuel your brain with 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. 3. Scrub your arteries by switching all high-heat cooking to avocado oil. My dear friends, your health is your greatest wealth. You don't have to be a victim of your age. You don't have to accept a future of pill organizers and hospital beds. By simply changing the fats in your kitchen, you are changing the chemistry of every cell in your body. Please, don't wait for a scare to make these changes. Start tomorrow morning. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to this channel. My next video is going to be a deep dive into the 3 morning drinks that can lower blood pressure in as little as 10 days. You won't want to miss it. I'm Dr. David Thompson. Stay healthy, stay independent, and I'll see you in the next video.